Which city has been renamed as Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar? Options are Pune, Aurangabad, Nashik, Ahmednagar. The right option is B, Aurangabad. Shivamoga Airport was recently inaugurated in which state or UT? Options are New Delhi, Karnataka, Odisha, West Bengal. Karnataka is the right option. Defender of the Fatherland Day is predominantly celebrated in which region? Options are North America, Africa, Central Asia, Oceania. The right option is Central Asia. Which Indian has been selected as external auditor of International Labour Organization? Options are Girish Chandra Murmu, Avinu Gopal, Ajay K. Chaudhary, T. Rabi Shankar. The right option is Girish Chandra Murmu. Which country is the host of the International Multilateral Air Exercise 8th Exercise Desert Flag? Options are given below. The right option is option B, UAE. Which institution releases the Methane Global Tracker report? Options are given below. The right option is option B, IEA, that is International Energy Agency. Bird's eye chili is the geographical identification tagged product of which state? Options are Assam, Mizoram, West Bengal, Bihar. Mizoram is the right option. Which institution has launched the Integrated Teacher Education Program? Options are given below. NCTE right option, that is National Council for Teacher Education. Digital India Bill is associated with which union ministry? Options are Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Ministry of Science and Technology. Ministry of Electronics and IT is the right option. What is the name given to the final full moon of the winter season? Options are pink moon, white moon, warm moon, whiskey moon. The right option is C, warm moon. Which institution introduced the global greenhouse gas monitoring infrastructure? Options are World Bank, WEF, IMF, WMO. The right option is D, WMO. Which city is the host of the World Para Athletics Grand Prix in 2023? Options are New Delhi, Colombo, Dubai, Dhaka. The right option is option C, Dubai. The Mahakali River originates in which Indian state? Options are Odisha, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Uttarakhand is the right option. As per recent report, economic, social and environmental factors like climate change are the primary reason for which process? Options are poverty, migration, urbanization, pollution. The right option is option B, migration. Which city hosted the meeting of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Courts of the SCO? Options are Mumbai, New Delhi, Ahmedabad, Chennai. The right option is B, New Delhi. Which state approved the 10% horizontal reservation to statehood activists in the state government job? Options are Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Rajasthan. The right option is Uttarakhand. Which state moved the Supreme Court against governor for refusing to act on several bills passed by the state legislature? Options are Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Kerala, Punjab. Telangana is the right option. Which state has tabled the Advocate Protection Bill 2023? Options are Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Karnataka. Rajasthan is the correct option. Which country has unveiled plans to buy up to 5 US nuclear-powered submarines? Options are France, India, Australia, Ukraine. The right option is option C, Australia. Which country announced a new semiconductor mega cluster with $230 billion in investment from Samsung Electronics? Options are India, China, South Korea, Bangladesh. The right option is option C, South Korea. Which country hosted the Japan South Korea summit in 2023? Options are Japan, South Korea, USA, UK. The right option is option A, Japan. Which country is the host of 2023 SAFF Championship? Options are Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Nepal. The answer is India. India inaugurated the first cross-border energy pipeline with which country? Options are Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, China, Myanmar. The right option for this question is B, Bangladesh.